With just 4 ingredients and 1 bowl is required for this delicious, nutritious and versatile recipe. So let's get on with the ingredients. So the basic ratio for this recipe is 1 cup of coconut milk with 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. To make it more healthier, I'm gonna add some of my favorite nuts, pista and walnut. To sweeten this recipe, I'm gonna use condensed milk. We can also use maple syrup or honey. To flavor it up, I'm gonna use vanilla essence. So let's get on with the recipe. So I'm gonna take a bowl and add 1 cup of coconut milk to it. Coconut milk will make this pudding extra thick and rich. Flavor, I am adding few drops of vanilla essence. For sweetener, I am going to add condensed milk. You can also use honey or maple syrup. Stir it well so that the condensed milk doesn't stick at the bottom. These tiny chia seeds have pack of nutrients in it, rich in omega-3, protein, fiber, healthy fats and low in sugar. Give a good stir for 5 minutes so that no lumps are formed. To make it healthier, I am adding my favorite nuts, pista and walnuts. This is optional. Cover and place it in the fridge for overnight. So no cooking in the morning, just have to assemble it with the fruits of your choice. Meantime, let's place the chopped mangoes in the food processor and blend it until smooth. Cover and refrigerate it also. Similarly, let's take kiwi and blend it until smooth. For toppings, let's take chopped kiwi and mango and grated walnuts and pista. Chia mixture sets well. It looks creamy as well as yummy. For assembling, I'm gonna pour some mango pulp and then chia pudding, and again I'm gonna pour some mango pulp, and to top up with it, I'm gonna add some mangoes and sprinkle it with the pista. Layering mango is going to take this chia pudding to the next level. Similarly, I'm gonna add some kiwi pulp and then chia pudding, and I'm gonna place some kiwi and sprinkle it with the pista. Kiwi gives you more vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin K. Containing all nutrients in kiwi with the health benefits of chia seeds, it is perfect for the breakfast or dessert. Similarly, you can make many flavors like strawberry, apple, banana, even chocolate. It is so colorful. This chia pudding will keep you energized all morning. This quick and easy breakfast recipe is packed with protein, filling and delicious. It tastes amazing.